This project right over there went quite viral, and there were so many people asking me a few questions about the project, so I thought we're gonna answer that in this reel. First question, how was the feeling being in the car and flying the drone? Basically, for me personally, it wasn't really hard because whenever I fly the drone, I'm so focused on flying, framing, so I don't even feel the energy that hits me around in the car. That was actually the easiest point. Number two, what about the road? Basically, we had one person on top of the road who just managed to close it kind of, so we were free of all the cars and we could easily manage to fly all along the road without having any problems. Number three might be the most difficult part of the whole video, which is the drone itself. So it needs to be tiny, and on the other side also you need to go for a camera angle that fits for the slow part and the fast part of the video. So in the beginning I was flying through the window, and whenever I pull my camera angle to 10 degrees, the only thing I would see is just like the inside the top of the car. So I needed to choose a camera angle that is quite low, but also on the other side fits perfectly to the speed when we accelerate the car later. So I was going for somewhere around that. And in the beginning I was also thinking about doing the shot with the Avate 2 because I could change the camera angle later on. But all in all, it worked really well with this drone. Last but not least, we've got number 4, which are the camera settings itself. I was using the DJI O4 A-Unit Pro, and whenever you shoot cars or action sports, sometimes you want to have a really low frame rate. That means I was shooting in 30 FPS, so we still have the motion blur. And also usually when you film like at 50 or 60 frames, the wheels look kind of weird on a car. It doesn't look that fast, so I needed to shoot in 30 frames per second. So the only problem on that is when you shoot in 30 frames per second on the DJI O4 A-Unit Pro, you also have to fly in 30 frames per second, which feels kind of weird because everything is like a little bit buggy. It feels like the transmission is not working. So those were the hardest things about this project. And if you have some more questions, just leave them down below and I'll see you in the next one.